What's up, traders? James Bruce here for another daily review. But before we get into it, we've got some obviously, political results coming in at the moment. But before we get into it, I want to mention that this review is sponsored by Edgeful. Link is in my bio and below too. But let's get into it and see how I managed to use their reports to actually make money in the markets yesterday. So $128. I was just trading my personal account yesterday. Not big. I just wanted a little piece of the markets. So I'll take that, right? Money is money. So let's go over my trades. I missed quite a lot of the trades. Yesterday, this was the only trade that I took, and I'll speak about the Edgeful report that I did use, which is over here, the previous day's range report. So let's bring that up. Meta, let's go like that, and let's bring it up, right? Meta platforms, let's go year to date, and let's go to one of my favorite reports, the previous day's range report. So let's go by weekday as well. So yesterday was Tuesday. Cool. So let's bring up my trade here. We were trading above previous day's highs. We had gapped up pre-market, trading above previous day's highs, right? So looking for longs. One of my plays is using the previous day's highs and previous day's lows. That's one of my trades, my playbook. And if you guys don't have a playbook, I highly recommend that you actually go and check that out. But Edgeful's report here, the previous day's range report. So what Edgeful is, they have a ton of reports based on probabilities. If it takes out the previous day's highs, what do we do? If we take out the previous day's lows, what do we do? And so forth, right? And one of my favorite ones is if we take out previous day's highs, that's in my playbook, how often do we close bullish? And if we take out previous day's lows, how often do we close bearish? So as you can see on Meta, year to date, so in the last 11 months, on a Tuesday, if we take out the previous day's highs, 81% of the time, we actually close as a bullish closing day, right? That means that once we took out these highs, the previous day's highs was this white dotted line coming across the screen. I want to remain long bias, right? We get a lot of chop, but we end up getting our nice winner. You can use these on other assets too. So if we pull up my other markups from the days, let's look at SPX charts. We take out the previous day's high zone. A lot of traders actually look for shorts here. I personally would not. The stats from Edgeful show us, if we go here to futures, and that's the nice thing about Edgeful, you can look at our range of different markets, futures, stocks, forex, and crypto. And if we take out on ES, 85% of the time when we take out the previous day's highs, we actually close as a bullish day. So looking for shorts, could it happen? Of course, there's that other 15% of the time that it could happen. But I would be focused on the longs, and that's what I did on Meta. So a nice little position, $100 is $100, right? So you guys know that I trade personal accounts as well as prop firms. And I love trading these individual stock names. I love trading the DAX, the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow, those 4 indexes. But then I would really recommend that you guys go actually have a look at trading these individual stock names as well, using these Edgeful reports. So today is all about that previous day's range report. We've got a lot of political news coming in. Trump's just won, which I'm obviously stoked about. But great for the markets. Trump is great for the markets. Markets are rallying on that news. So it's going to be some interesting times and great opportunities coming in the next couple of months into 2025. So go check out Edgeful. I'm using them in my own trading, and I think it's helped me build my playbook. And if you guys don't know what a playbook is, come join me on stream on ASFX TV. I recommend, how to build a playbook, how to build a trading plan, all that good stuff, as well as live trading. So come check me out there. But the first and foremost is how I use Edgeful in order for me to actually build a playbook. So this has been really, really good. So nice day there. We got some great opportunities presenting in the markets today as well. Today is the 6th of November. I'm filming this the next day. But this is how I was able to make money trading using the Edgeful previous day's range report. I hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next one.